Hi Marv, good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. So to answer your question, you are right. This is going to be the new file form, I guess, the inspection part. It's supposed to be here. The one that you showed me, that's basically when we're searching for a file. So I guess you're right. The address, this part, we don't really need it to be powered by Google. But let me just explain a little bit on our system right now in Microsoft Access, the way it works and everything. So basically, right now, let me show you the design for the inspection schedule. So this is basically it. I haven't sent you this. But the way it works, basically, let's say someone call us in. We usually, the first thing that we ask is what city do you live in or what zip code, and then we can enter it here. Let's say we put the zip code 92705, which is Santa Ana, and then we search, and then we can also filter it by distance, county, inspector, or type of inspection. Because the thing about us is some inspector really particular about the lead that coming in. Let's say like this Mauro usually handle only property management. Mark Patrick, we usually only give him anything that people that ask for him, so only his client. That's the same thing as Hal. We only give people who ask for Hal and the inspection. And then Dave usually do property management. Basically, there's like so many specification for each inspector. So the reason behind this filter is let's say we put that zip code 92705. And then instead of searching for another inspector that's in that zip code, we just want to filter it by distance. Let's say 5 miles away from the inspector, 10 miles away, 15 miles away, something like that. It's almost like Yelp. I don't know whether you're familiar with Yelp, but Yelp.com is like a website where people can search for a restaurant, I don't know, like whatever that you're looking for, and then they can filter it by distance or county and stuff like that. So we already know if the zip code is in Orange County or in LA. We don't even need to see, our people in Ventura or our people in Palm Springs. As of now, in our old system in Microsoft Access, when we when we are trying to schedule an inspection for an inspector, we will see all the inspectors that we have in different cities. So let me show you if I can pull this up. Okay, so this is basically how it looks like in the Microsoft Access. It won't work for me, but it's a lot of things that we need to take a look at. It's a lot of things. So right now I want to break it down. This is Orange County inspectors. If you click LA, it's only the inspector that handle LA area. Riverside is going to be the inspector that handles Riverside area. Ventura, you get the point. And then this is the filter. So basically, okay, again, someone called in, zip code is 92705, click, and then let's say 5 miles away, so Santa Ana, that will be Guy or Mauro. The empty part is the part that we can double click, and if we double click this, it will go to this new file. And then this is where we basically input the address. So I don't know whether you want the powered by Google address here, and then below it automatically goes to, street number, street, zip code, and all of that. So I don't know how that's going to work in terms of the data and everything, but that's basically how we schedule things right now. We look at the schedule, and then we double click whatever, empty in that schedule box, and then it will pull up basically, let me see, it will pull up this part, and then we enter the address here, and this is the part where we always get it wrong. It just sometimes people say something else and then we didn't get it the second time. So yeah, that's basically it. If you have any questions, let me know. But hopefully this, I don't know, explain more about the design. And yeah, let me know. Email me back or shoot me a video. Thank you.